Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to send a direct message on Twitter using your computer. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. And by the way, this tutorial, you can follow this if you're using a mobile device. Okay? So first of all, you want to open your browser if you are using computer and search for twitter.com. If you're using your mobile device, just go ahead and open Twitter application. And now, I want you to do is to search for the user's username by clicking the search button here at the upper part of your screen and just go ahead and search for their username. So in this tutorial, I'm just gonna go ahead and view this profile. And now once you are on their profile, you can see the message button at the left side of the follow button, right? So if you see that, just go ahead and click on it. And now you can start a message by typing the message here at the text box at the lower part of your screen. Okay. So for example, let's go back to their profile. So for example, you cannot see this message button because there's a chance that the user won't allow a message request on their profile. Okay. So for you to send them a message, you need to follow them, okay? And once they accept your follow request, we can now start messaging them. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching our tutorial on how to send a direct message on Twitter using your computer. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one, and have a great day.